In the food service business, food spoilage isn't just wasteful, it's expensive. It can easily cost a business thousands of dollars each year, damaging profit and hindering business growth. Galaxy offers an affordable, user-friendly solution to help minimize the inconvenience and cost of spoiled product. The Galaxy VME1 external vacuum packaging machine makes preserving product easier than ever. It's designed to seal bags of ingredients for extended storage, locking in freshness and flavor for later use. It can also seal bags for sous-vide cooking. Once the end of the bag is placed onto the seal bar and the lid is lowered, with just a touch of a button, the unit removes the air from the bag and seals it. If the product is especially delicate, use the pulse feature to vacuum out the air in intervals so as not to crush the product. And if you're using a particularly thick and heavy-duty bag, select the extended seal option to ensure that the bag is sealed completely. Unlike a chamber vacuum packaging machine, this external unit is compact and lightweight. It also accommodates embossed vacuum bags of any length that are 12 inches wide or less. The width is determined by its 12-inch seal bar. The Galaxy VME1 external vacuum packaging machine is designed for light-duty applications, perfect for low-volume businesses, and convenient on-the-go operation. Plus, to offer the best deal available, the Galaxy VME1 machine is the most affordable commercial unit on the market. Featuring the same functions and providing the same seal capacity as the VacMaster Pro 110 and other competing models, the Galaxy VME1 costs a fraction of the price, saving your business more money to truly maximize profit. And who doesn't want to save money? Effective, efficient, easy to use, and priced to beat, the Galaxy VME1 external vacuum packaging machine is a no-brainer for any operation.